Yeah. You don't know my story, but God does. There were nights I cried in silence, smiling through the pain inside me. People saw the happy version, nobody knew what was hiding. I kept praying, kept believing, even when my heart was breaking. Had to water my own flowers while the world was busy hating. Now I'm healing slowly, learning to love me, turning all my scars into beautiful stories. Watch me bloom. After all the storms I walked through, I was broken, now I'm brand new. God said, baby, don't give up soon. Watch me shine. Every tear became a blessing, every pain became a lesson. Now my light is finally rising. They laughed at me, now they watch me. I lost myself, then God found me. No more crying every night, no more begging to be loved. I know my worth now, and I'm enough. Some people left me empty, some people changed completely, but every heartbreak taught me how to stand strong deeply. I'm not where I wanna be, but thank God I'm not who I was. Cause the girl that almost gave up, now they glow without force. If you're listening into this, don't stop believing in yourself. Your time will come too.